Hello again, welcome back everybody. So this time we have a stainless steel Birdie padlock sent to me by Apache John Lock Sport. Thanks. No key, but all locked up. So I thought we'd give this one a go. So if it's anything like the others I've had, it's going to be full of spools. They were all the brass ones, but we'll give this a go. Right, so number one is binding. Right, we've got a slight movement, and now got a bit of a false set. Two, we had counter rotation, we lost the full set. One, that took another click, that gave us a deeper full set. Three, counter rotation, that one felt okay. Four, counter rotation and that clicked. Five, counter rotation and that's clicked, and there we go. Open. So quite a nice padlock all in all. Good and solid, and not too bad on the pins. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.